How to change currency on Facebook Marketplace. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. At the bottom, the option of Marketplace will be visible to you. Head over to it. It will open up this page for you. Right now you can see that the Nepali currency is visible to you right now. In order to change it, what you want to do is tap on this location at the top right corner and then click on Edit. Now from here, you have to change the location of your map. Set the location of the country that you want to add the currency. Let's say I want to apply the currency of the United Kingdom. Select the location and set it to United Kingdom. Once you are done, tap on Apply at the bottom. Now if you refresh the page, the currency will be changed. And there you go, the currency has been changed. Similarly, all you want to do is change the location in order to change the currency, and then you'll be good to go. So this is it, and this is simply how you can change the currency in Facebook Marketplace. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.